comfortably flying above the extraordinary Amazon rainforest. Home to hundreds of different plants and animals, including one special toucan you're going to meet.
Named Tallulah. How can we find her if she doesn't come out of her tree? Well, toucans are usually found in small groups. If we can find other toucans, I'll bet we'll find her.
She can't be too hard to spot. A toucan's colorful beak is more than half the size of its body.
Looks like the rainforest is way too dense for Air Condor to land. But we know what to do, right, team? 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you, Air Condor!
You're welcome! And thank you for flying Air Condor!
Tallulah should be around here somewhere.
Huh?
These might be the berries Tallulah ate.
I say we should follow the juice.
Tallulah! Is that you in there?
It's the A4. We're here to help.
I'm not coming out.
You don't have to be shy with us.
You guys, don't understand. My beak is my best feature, and now it's like, ugh.
Please come out, Tallulah. We want to help make it better.
Promise you won't laugh?
We promise.
Of course.
Absolutely.
There. That's better. Uh-oh. I'm all right. I'm all right.
See, my beak's so gross, it made him fall out of the tree.
Nah, rhinos and trees just don't mix. Happens all the time. Let's continue our chat on the ground, shall we?
Ugh, it's so completely awful.
It's not so bad. One time, when I found a yummy blueberry patch, I ate so many, I was black and blue. Well, not that kind of black and blue. You know, from the berries.
Don't worry, Tallulah. We're going to take care of this. We just have to wash your beak.
That's right. A little scrub-a-dub, and your beak will be good as new. Maybe just a little more.
Is it coming out at all? I knew it! It will never come out!
Of course it will. It may just take a little time.
How much time? Everyone can see it! That's it! I'm so not coming out.
Hey, that leaf gives me an idea. A fan for the senorita?
I can't fly and hold this at the same time.
Don't worry, Tallulah. We'll figure something out.
We need to know what caused the problem to find the right solution.
Got it. So, Tallulah, what kind of berries did you eat?
Round berries?
Kind of like these. Whoa!
Yup, those are the ones.
Oh,
Wow, look at these stripes. My bad. No, Zoe. This gives me an idea. We can use the berry juice to paint Tallulah's beak. It'll look great.
Did you fix it? Is it really cute? Oh no, it's worse!
I guess we're not awesome artists. Don't cry, Tallulah.
Oh my gosh, my friends are coming. They can't see me like this.
But if they're really your friends, they'll understand.
Quick, I have to hide my beak.
So, we should just cover your beak. Got it! A beak cover! Paper, please.
Tallulah? Oh my gosh! So pretty. What did you do to it? Who can? You can! Shake it like a toucan! Go Toucans! Oh my gosh! So trendy! How'd you do it? Cool! Your beak's all artsy. Actually, it was an accident. I ate so many berries, they stained my beak. I tried to hide it, and the A4 helped by painting over it. But Tallulah, your look rocks. Gotta say, I'd love to have a cool new painted cover for my beak. Change things up, you know. Really? Really? Can we? Ta-da! Who can? You can! Shake it like a toucan! Go Toucans! You guys are like the best friends ever. Thanks, A4. You guys are super awesome. You show me what really matters. Not how you look, but who your friends are. Friends rule!
Well, you're welcome. Great meeting you, Tallulah.
I guess berry stains will fade, but real friends will last forever. That's for sure.
Awesome job, Awesome 4. Another successful mission, team. It always feels so good to say, we all helped someone today.
Oranganimals work together. Oranganimals save the day. Oranganimals, we are heroes. A for all the way.